Hello, this is a video detailing how to submit an account for renewal with Pathpoint. At Pathpoint, our goal is to provide timely quotes with options across carriers so that you can find the best coverage for your client with no extra work. This applies to new business as well as renewal business. Let's get started. First, I'll receive an email from Pathpoint indicating that my account is ready to be submitted for renewal. I'll open up the email and it'll take me to the first question set that I need to review. This includes questions that might have changed or been added since placing the account initially. I can access these questions simply by pressing the Next button. I'll go ahead and finish keying in these questions. And then when I'm done finishing the questions, I can submit to review. Note that the incumbent market, in this case Westchester, is called out and will automatically be submitted again for renewal consideration. I can also see that other markets are an appetite to instant quote. I'll go ahead and submit. And then once it's submitted, I'll see next steps. Note that if the policy expiration date is within 45 days, I'll receive an email within 8 business hours regarding quotes. If the policy expires in greater than 45 days, my work is done for now. Hang tight and you'll get an email around the 45-day mark with quotes. This is due to most carriers being able to quote only 45 days within policy expiration. If this is the case you're under, we thank you for being proactive. Once the incumbent market has been reviewed and a quote has been applied, I'll get an email and can review the quotes on the account. Note that the incumbent market is called out for clarity. From there, I can review quotes, select, and proceed to subjectivities in order to request to bind, leveraging Pathpoint's end-to-end e-sign process to make the process smooth. That's it. As always, please reach out to us with any questions. Thank you for partnering with Pathpoint.